So 1010 app, how to make yourself not available. So here you go to 1010 app and super easy. Just go here and then you need to tap on any profile and then tap to mute everyone. I don't know, there are some kind of glitches, but just basically tap to mute everyone. And then you can double check if you're muted. If you go to your settings wallpaper and try to install like 1010 availability widget, you will see that it should say off. Well, there are some glitches like here. So if I tap mute everyone, then it just should say off. So here it works. And then you see for yourself that, hey, I just muted everyone. So that's it means I'm not available and people can't call me on 1010 and the sound won't come out on the lock screen. So try something like that.